Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change your age on Instagram. So to do that, you can just open the Instagram app on the Android device. So here you can just click to the settings of the right below. So here you can just click to the account center. So when it's open, you will just click to the personal details, and from the personal details you can see the birth date. So here is the no option to edit, so I can just contact us to the Instagram support. So you can just tell us your feedback of you want to change your date of birth. So he has given you access. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.